Hi everyone, today we're going to be making taco noodle bake. The ingredients that you need for taco noodle bake: 12 ounces package medium egg noodles. I have 16 ounces. 1 pound ground beef. 1 package taco seasoning. 2/3 cup water. 1 10-ounce can rótel diced tomatoes and green chilies, undrained, and I have the generic. 1 10.75-ounce can of cheddar cheese soup. 1 16-ounce container sour cream. 2 cups shredded cheddar cheese. I have triple cheddar. So let's begin. Preheat your oven to 350. Cook your noodles according to package directions. Then drain it and set it aside. Spray a 9x13 pan. And set it aside. Cook your ground beef until brown and no longer pink. So the ground beef is all browned. Now's the time to drain it if you need to. Mine is 93% lean, so I don't have to drain mine. Go ahead and dump in your taco seasoning. And your 2/3 cup water. And then go ahead and cook this for another 5 minutes. And then just set it aside. All right, so you're supposed to have a big bowl to mix all of this stuff in. I'm just going to use the pot that I cooked the noodles in, save myself some dirty dishes. So we want to go ahead and dump the hamburger in the pot. The rótel tomatoes, the cheese soup, a container of sour cream, and that's a 16-ounce container, and the drained noodles, and I didn't use them all because that was a 16-ounce package, only needed 12 ounces. And the 2 cups of cheese, and mix it until it's thoroughly mixed. And you dump it into your prepared pan and spread it out. And I can stir it some more as it comes out. Make sure it's thoroughly stirred. You want to make sure that everything is throughout the whole pan, your tomatoes, your cheese, your beef mixture. All right, so that looks pretty good. And you put it in a 350-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until it's all bubbly. All right, so it is fresh out of the oven. Now you can go ahead and use turkey instead of ground beef if you want a lighter meal. And you can go ahead and top it with whatever taco garnishing that you would like. I'll go ahead and dish this up and get my husband to do a taste test. Now normally I would fix this and serve it with a side salad, but it is like a meal in itself and I don't have any salad fixings. But I am going to go ahead and add some black olives, some more cheese, and a dollop of sour cream.
This is pretty good. What is this?
Taco Noodle Bake.
Taco Noodle Bake. Never heard of it. It's pretty good. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.